Hey everyone, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, your go-to source for some of the most powerful and innovative Excel tools available. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce our address verification software in Excel, an incredible tool designed to help you cleanse, validate, and fix incomplete addresses directly within Excel. Let me walk you through how it works and why it's a game changer. This tool is completely built in Excel, so there's nothing to install. No extra software required. It's powered by the Google Maps API, allowing you to seamlessly validate and clean addresses with ease. Whether you're working with 10 addresses or 10,000, this tool can handle it all. It's perfect for batch cleaning and converting messy, incomplete addresses into an organized, usable format. Plus, the tool provides addresses in USPS format, making it ideal for mailing purposes and ensuring your data is ready for professional use. It's fast, accurate, and incredibly easy to use, saving you countless hours of manual work. Once you download the tool using the link in the description below, the first step is to paste your list of incomplete addresses into the spreadsheet. After entering your list, simply click the Run button. The software will automatically cleanse the addresses and provide two outputs: a fully formatted address in a single cell, and the address broken down into components by columns such as street, city, state, zip code, and country. If you need latitude and longitude for mapping or analytics, the tool also includes those details. It's that easy. Over the past 16 years, we've helped more than 7,500 satisfied customers streamline their workflows and solve complex challenges with tools like this one. Our software has become a daily essential for many professionals, helping them save countless hours and ensuring accuracy in their processes. We're proud of the positive impact our tools have had on businesses and individuals alike, and it's always rewarding to hear success stories from our customers. Whether it's cutting down on repetitive tasks or improving the quality of their work, users consistently tell us how much time and effort our solutions save them. Don't just take our word for it. Explore our Google reviews to see honest, detailed feedback from people just like you. These reviews offer valuable insights into how our tools are making a real difference every day. When you're ready to get started, simply click in the description to download the tool. If you have any questions or need tool customizations, Vinny, the brain behind Excel distance calculators, will personally help you via phone, email, or live chat on our website. And yes, he will actually answer your call. There's no answering machine or automated system, just real human support whenever you need it. We're dedicated to ensuring you get the most out of this tool, and we're here to provide guidance every step of the way. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials and tools. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy calculating.